Is affiliate marketing worth it in 2026? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you why affiliate marketing is a terrible side hustle unless you have these three things. Let's get this out of the way first. Affiliate marketing is a bad side hustle. I've been doing this for over a decade. Most of my income has come from it, and I'd still tell about 80% of the people watching this video not to even bother. Not because it doesn't work, it works. It's just that side hustle implies something that you pick up on the weekends, pays you back in a couple months, that you can quit if it doesn't pan out. This is none of those things. And the people selling it to you like that are the reason why so many of you have a half-built, half-baked business sitting somewhere. There are three things you need to know before this is a good idea for you. If you have all three, this is one of the best assets that you can build in 2026 and beyond. If you're missing any of these three, I'd rather you watch this video than waste the next couple years of your life just to find that out. So here's why the term side hustle is the wrong frame to approach affiliate marketing. A side hustle has a short feedback loop. Think about driving for Uber on Saturday and you get paid on Saturday the same day. That's what the phrase promises. Affiliate marketing has an inverted structure. You do all the work up front and all the return comes much later, and there's no signal in between that time telling you whether it's working or not. So here's a more realistic comparison. It behaves less like a side hustle and more like building a small business or buying a rental property. Capital in, long wait, then an asset that pays without you. Why does this matter? People quit not because the model failed, but because they applied side hustle expectations to an asset building timeline. Nobody buys a rental property and panics in month 3 because it hasn't paid for itself yet. But that's exactly what happens with affiliate websites or YouTube channels because the gurus sold it as a side hustle instead of what it actually is. Now let's start with thing number 1 that, unless you have this, affiliate marketing is a terrible side hustle, and that is money you can afford to lose. The truth is, this is not a $0, no effort required to start. Anyone telling you it is selling you something, and honestly, they're trying to appeal to suckers who don't know something that's too good to be true, and it's really just appealing to people's laziness. The truth is, the most successful clients that I've coached and mentored to $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 per month, they've all had full-time 9-to-5 salary jobs. So these people weren't scrounging around, struggling to pay the rent and looking for some kind of side hustle that was going to magically meet their expenses that they were having trouble taking care of. See, these people are coming from a place of strength and with an abundance mindset, which is required to succeed. So on this page, I've actually listed out all of the realistic expenses that I spend to run my business. And I'm going to break down the costs here, starting with a domain, $12 per year, web hosting, $14 a month, keyword research tool, $7 a month, premium WordPress theme, $65 one time. Canva, you can start with the free version. The pro version is $18 a month. CapCut for video editing is free. And buying products to review, this is a totally variable cost. And it's not something that you need to start with, but you can look into reinvesting in the future. So the total comes down to around $46 a month or $545 per year in that first year. Here's the first test. Could you spend $545 over the next year, get nothing back, and be fine? Not happy, but just fine. If the answer is no, this isn't the right move right now, and that's not a judgment. People who fund this with money they need end up making short-term decisions that come from a scarcity mindset, and that results in cheap content, rush niches, giving up early, which is precisely what causes the business to fail. The people I've watched fail hardest weren't the ones who spent too little. They were the ones who spent money they couldn't afford to lose and then made every decision outward from a place of fear. Now, the second thing that you'll need is 12 months you're not counting on. Google search and YouTube both have a lag. Content published today isn't judged on its merits for months. A quick example is to get a blog post indexed onto Google search and ranking. If you have a newer site, this can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. And typically, when you have a blog, it gets the most of its results 6 to 9 months after it's published. So the compounding is real, but it's backloaded. The The curve is flat far longer than anyone expects, and then it moves. So I actually have a visual here on the screen on the YouTube video for the failure timeline, why most affiliate sites die in month number 3. And the reason why is because of these curves. So as I mentioned, everything is compounding when it comes to affiliate website content like blog posts and YouTube. Okay, so in the beginning, you're going to see a flat curve. You're going to see almost no views for the first 3 to 6 months. And the problem is motivation is at its absolute highest in that first month, that second month. But where almost everyone quits is going to be month 3, 4, 5, and 6 when you're not really seeing those results from the efforts you're putting in. So the reality is most people don't fail, they just stop right before it begins to work. So the second test is, can you do this for 1 year with the possibility that it doesn't work? Not will you get discouraged? Will you still be publishing in month 9 with nothing to show? Look, if you need money in 30 to 90 days, this is the wrong vehicle for you. You're better off freelancing, doing contract work, doing the gig economy like rideshare, Uber, DoorDash, getting a part-time job. Anything with a short feedback loop. As I mentioned earlier, this is more like buying a rental property. You're really building a real asset in an actual small business. This isn't a quick side hustle for some quick cash. All right, if you're still with me and money and time aren't the problem, I've got a free training link below that walks through the actual affiliate operating system that I'm using today and I've shared with my clients who are earning over $10,000 a month. This goes over niche selection, keyword research, content structure. It's completely free, no cost. Go watch it after this video. All right, so the third thing that you need in order to make affiliate marketing viable is the ability to work without any feedback at all. So the ability to do unglamorous, tedious, boring work repeatedly while receiving no signal that it's working. So what does this look like? It means writing Article 12 when Article 1 hasn't even ranked or is getting any impressions or views. Publishing a new YouTube video to another 0 to 10 views. And then trying to figure all this out, make these decisions with no data confirming whether you're on the right track or not. And this is the reality for most people who don't have a coach or a mentor. And this is genuinely hard. Humans calibrate effort against feedback. If we remove the feedback and people are just working, putting in this effort, then motivation's just going to degrade regardless of how disciplined you are. This isn't about your character. This is just how human nature works. Now, the pattern that I've seen from working with successful clients is that the people who make it aren't more motivated than another person. They've simply removed the need for motivation. They have systems, delegation, fixed schedules, someone else holding the plan and the structure, and all they have to do is focus on what's most important, what's going to move the needle this week. Honestly, it's not a discipline problem because discipline, motivation, those things run out. It's a structure problem. And the bottleneck was never knowledge. It was never another tutorial, okay? But the correct implementation and consistency. So what really is needed in 2026 is implementation, not more information, because we're all drowned in tutorials. But ask yourself the real question, like how much money have you made from watching hundreds of tutorials? So here's the bottom line. What to do if you only have 2 out of 3 of these things. If you only have 1 out of these 3 things, then I highly suggest now is not the right time. But if you have 2 out of the 3, most people watching have 1 and 2, which is money and time. But it's the third where it completely breaks down. Again, if you're putting in effort and you're not getting any results or traction, any human is going to lose motivation. But here's the good news. Number 3 is the outsourceable one, okay? Money and patience have to come from you. I can't build a business for you. But the structure, the systems, the delegation, that doesn't have to start from scratch. So basically, you have 3 options today. The first one is you can figure out and build the structure yourself. Have a fixed schedule, accountability for yourself, create systems. This is definitely the hardest, starting from complete scratch when honestly, thousands of these things have already been figured out for you, like what's working right now, but it is free, okay? And this works for some people. Now, I'm not gonna say this works for a lot of people because again, there's hundreds of tutorials online, there's countless information, but the amount of people who are actually making $5,000 to $10,000 a month, it's such a small percentage. And honestly, if you're watching this video, you probably are not one of the people who is able to just magically do this on their own. Those tend to be influencers, people with a large audience. You know, they can get away with more things. But I'm talking about everyday people who are working 9 to 5. They don't want to be an influencer. They don't have a social media. There's a lot that you have to figure out. So what is the second option? You can borrow structure from a group. Deadlines, feedback, other people expecting your work. This is what communities like Skool Community and other online communities are for. And then the third option is to just remove the requirement entirely. Someone else makes the decisions, gives you the strategy and the structure, and literally just builds everything for you. Like, let's say you've never made a WordPress website. Building an actual WordPress website using a template from a current 6-figure affiliate website that's consistently earns over $10,000 a month. You know, if you just had that copy and pasted for you, then that's gonna make your life easier. Now, that's the done for you route, and it's going to cost you according to its value. All right, so the big question, should you still pursue affiliate marketing? If you've got money you won't miss, a year you're not counting on, and either the structure to work without feedback or a way to get it, then yes, it's one of the best assets that I know how to build. It pays you while you sleep, you separate your time from money, it compounds over time, and it's yours. You own it 100%. If you're missing any of these three, I would honestly wait. Okay, I wouldn't wait forever because I still think this is a beautiful opportunity, but until you get that missing piece, then I would hold off. If this video talks you out of affiliate marketing, I actually think that's a good thing. Seriously, that's a much cheaper way to find out than 18 months and a few $1,000s down the drain. Like I said in the intro, I think 80% should probably not even bother with affiliate marketing, but if you're still one of those people who are here, then I'd much rather have a smaller, more concentrated group of people who are serious about this and not just sidewalkers, tire kickers who honestly aren't treating this like an actual business opportunity. All right, so if you want some next steps, I'm gonna have 3 links in the video description and in a pinned comment below. The first is the free training, how to start affiliate marketing with the help of AI. It's a free masterclass that I've just created. It's the full system, how I pick a niche, how the keyword research works. It costs nothing. If you're doing this yourself, start there. The second link is to the Skool Community where we do monthly live streams. We go over actual websites with feedback. I can actually look at your website, and we just launched this onboarding call that you will receive complimentary, where you get a personalized roadmap for your affiliate journey. And together we can actually look at your niche and we can map out the next 90 days so you actually have a plan to succeed. This gives you a little bit of that structure mentioned in the third thing from this video. And lastly, if you've actually tried this and you've stalled and you'd rather have my team just build it for you, there's an application link below. It is a 4-figure investment and it's not for most people watching this. Start with the free training if you're not sure, but for those who are serious about this and you want results like the clients earning $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 per month, then that's called the Affiliate Operating System. You can learn more below. Next week's video is going to be why people who follow every tutorial correctly still end up making nothing. See you then.